Hey guys, and welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do a little bit of exercise, but we exercise every day, and then we increase that exercise very slowly. Today we're doing push-ups. I'd like to go back to the weighted and the weight vest, but I'm being gentle. I've got this wrist thing, like I said, that happens. These pull-up handles I think are actually better for the wrist, although I did have one guy I was talking to say he messed his wrists up with push-up handles, so I guess if you get them at the wrong angle or whatever. But I feel like here, being able to get this at just the right angle and see if I can get just the right placement here as I come up really helps me get good form on the push-ups. So let's see how we feel doing a few of these. They are going to be harder, right, because we're coming down lower. So we're exercising a more fuller range of motion. So in that sense, they actually make it more difficult. But it should be easier on my wrist. Okay, we're going to tighten legs. See, the legs tighten. We're going to tighten butt. We're going to tighten chest. Then we're going to come up. One, and my legs actually slid back. My legs here slid back a little bit. Here we go. Two. I forgot to say let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Thank you to Bookie Cuss. Anybody who wants to be part of the Let's Go crew, it's always great to hear from you guys in the comments, right? And I think we're going to cut this short. I don't think we're going to do a million of these. I noticed a lot of weakness when I first started, and I wanted to be gentle. So I'm going to be gentle. I'm going to wait. We're going to string this into multiple sets so it's a little less hard on our body. We are going to get a higher count today. Hold on a second, guys. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we can start it again. I still want to wait a little longer. That was only like 30 seconds in between there, but I had something else to say, so I just turned it on so I could talk. And there's this neat truck backing up, so you guys get that sound in the background. I wanted to mention that when I came up, I didn't quite have the center of gravity right. So these weights are in the same place. Let me see if I can get you to see my feet here. Change the angle of this a little bit. Yes, you can see the feet. These weights are in the same place, but I think I was too far forward or too far back or whichever, because my feet slid backwards when I came up. So normally I would go right over the under the shoulders, and I would come back a little bit. So I thought that was about right here. Actually, maybe that's a little more forward, because I do say come back a little bit. I don't know if it makes sense, backward and forward. Anyway, I knew it'd take a few seconds to adjust. I was looking for about a minute in between sets. Let's get this next set. Again, we only need like 5 or so for a set here. Let's tighten legs. Let's tighten butt. Let's tighten chest, shoulders, everything. 1. Oh, definitely came up weak. There we go. 2. I think my elbows are kind of flaring out too much. 3. There we go. They pin back better there. I'm going to come forward a little bit. 4. There we go. Now my elbows are in better position. 5. I think I kind of know what I did. I kind of put them out a little bit like this and ended up flaring my elbows out, right? Because my chest position changed with that. So I think that's part of the reason. But anyway, we got our 5 there. Again, we're not trying to have a big heavy day. We're going to have another set here in a minute. Going to give us about 60 seconds to 2 minutes to rest here. All right, we're back. It's only still been about 30 seconds, but I was excited to talk about one other thing. I was stretching, and I was feeling my elbows, because I had some of this elbow soreness. And it's actually something that I had to take a break in push-ups way back when. I had to do no push-ups for a little while, because I was experiencing some of this elbow soreness. This is, I don't know, daily commitment 200 or something like that. But anyway, I had to take a break from push-ups for like, I don't know if it was like a week or something. It was a little while. So yes, you want to always be gentle, and I felt coming in that rather than use the weight vest today, I felt like I didn't want that extra difficulty, and I could tell when I was coming up with push-up handles I felt a little extra weak, so sometimes you need a little extra rest. Here, what I want to do, I want to reduce the variables. Let's do them without the push-up handles. Let's go right here under the shoulders, like I always do, then back a little bit, right? Then I know I'm getting that right balance, what I'm used to. It'll be a little harder on the wrist, but I haven't noticed that much wrist pain, so I feel like that's already mostly healed at least. Anyway, let's get that good plank. Let's tighten legs. Let's tighten butt. Let's tighten chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, we're just going to do 5 or so. 5 there is fine. We're trying to go crazy. We're having a nice light day and enjoying it. Guys, keep it up. A little bit of exercise every day adds up to a lot. Thanks for all the guys who comment and like and subscribe and do all that cool stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.